People always talking about some smoke that they don't know about. I be driving with that constant way more than your mama house. All the speed doctors, we got patients who keep slowing down. Come and take a ride with us and see how we gon' run the town. Speed doctors, that's all you need to know. Speed doctor, you can watch this shit at home. Speed doctor, we gon' give your ass a show. From the money to the cars, we gon' show you how it go. Speed doctor, that's all you need to know. Speed doctor, you can watch this shit at home. Speed doctor, we gon' give your ass a show.
What's up, man? How you doing? Good to see you. You doing okay, man? Thanks for coming in, man.
Man, appreciate you.
How you doing? Okay?
Good. Just working, bro.
Sorry to hear about the ride, man. How's work going?
Good.
All right, hey guys, how you doing? Nice to see you. Doing okay? We got lots of camera crews. I didn't know who, if he was with them or not.
Oh yeah.
Future NBA star right there, Bryce. Okay. In the house. So yeah, got a lot of.
Yeah, looking to pick this up.
Yeah. Well, I don't know exactly who's buying, but something. So man, sorry to hear about the car getting.
Yeah, man. You know I'm still tracking it on Uconnect.
They can't. The cops won't lock it in or anything.
No, insurance is already paid out, so. Yeah, exactly. It's like at that point, well, keep it. Yeah, if the insurance paid out, we'll do something else.
Hi, what's going on?
Hey, what's up?
Good. Praying for Louisiana.
Right.
Yeah.
Man, how you doing, man? Nice to meet you, dog. Let me see, man. One of the cards, bro. Yeah, absolutely, man. We'll definitely look out.
I'm just behind the
I've been doing
car guy. Big car enthusiast. You got all kind of cars.
You see, I'm up in here now.
What you about to get?
Scat Pack wide body, man. We had gotten it because we're gonna wrap it for our channel because we got Speed Doc 713.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
What else you got?
Well, I got a Panamera 4S, got a Cayenne S, and an Audi RS5. My homeboy has a Pan Am Turbo, like my homeboy with Speed Docs.
Let's get it.
Man, I had to order it, dog.
Yeah, so we got stolen. What?
Yeah, the first one.
Yours got stolen?
Had about 3,500 miles on it, man. And I came down one morning to go to the office. I looked, nothing. I was like,
crazy.
I said, man, I'm not even dealing with this right now. I got another car and went to work, man. So
You just fortunate like that.
yeah, trying to get it, man.
You got it.
Yes, sir. I'll see y'all. Appreciate it. Nice meeting you.
It's a smoke show. And then, okay. Carmen Cardone, Carbon Swift, Red Recalpers, Lucky Red Nugs. Okay.
You have any with the carbon and suede?
We can look at this one really quick just to see, because these all just came in right now, so we'll look at there, you know.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, no, I primarily sell TRX 390 ring.
Yeah.
So have you seen one of those?
I have.
Which one, the TRX or the 390?
Well, so I've driven both. One of my patients has a TRX that he actually let us drive, and we got it on our YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Those are dope. And I'm not a pickup truck guy at all, but those are stupid dope.
Yeah, no, I just sent one to Arizona to a doctor out there.
Oh, man.
Yeah, so if you look at smoke, but even this is a red eye though.
With the red.
Yeah.
See, that's what I'm doing.
Putting the red on there? Yeah.
Yeah, because I don't like the Alcantara, to be honest.
Yeah.
It's okay, but in the Scat Pack, they only come in that. So smoke show, huh?
Yep. No, this one's too closed though, but let's see what it has on there.
See, it has the Alcantara in there. Doesn't have, is that suede up there? Probably have.
Oh, okay.
Nah. Driver convenience package, they have the tech package. Okay. It's like a whatever orange color. I thought about indigo. I don't know. Speed Doc fam, what color y'all think we should get? I'm partial to smoke show and granite.
What was that?
I was telling Speed Doc fam that I'm partial to smoke show and granite. Those were the two that I was trying to lean towards. Let's see if that has. No, that's the Hellcat.
Yeah.
I want to see what the suede and carbon. Oh, that's a red eye. Can't really tell with the reflection. Yeah. Now, that's one thing I do like that you miss out on if you don't select the Alcantara is the stitch dash.
Yeah.
I do miss that. I do hate that part. But color combo is okay. But I'm still not a fan of this Alcantara. What's that, suede? Yeah. I'm not a fan of it on the seats.
Nah, yeah, especially the seats.
Yeah. And I'm also kind of glad, I mean, the Chargers get a lot of love, but I'm kind of glad I'm sticking Challenger. I'm more partial to two doors anyway.
Yeah.
You know.
Oh, so if you're good at Challenger, and this one right here. Yeah, this is a skinny body. Same color though.
Yeah, this is okay.
Yeah, look at this one.
That's a good price too.
Yep.
Honestly, I mean, I just hate it's not wide body, because this would be the one.
Yeah.
Get it today.
But you can see it. I don't know. I for me, wide body though, I just think it's like I like skinnies though. Yep.
It's just that there's so many of the RTs and older ones that doesn't set you apart.
Yeah.
You know, because if you're not a car person, you see this coming. You know, you got to see the B and all that to even know there's something special. You know what I'm saying? That's the only issue I have with it. But I like the color. I like the color, and especially if I go with the red leather inside, because once it comes in, I'm gonna have them put that in.
Looks good.
All right, let's make it happen here.
Jay here?
Who here?
Myself.
Jordan? Yeah, Justin. Yeah,
Cause I didn't get a chance to even shoot him a text that I was coming through, man. We've been that busy. I had to had my barber come by and work my haircut in at the office.
Oh my gosh! Wow, who's cutting your hair?
Oh, I got a cat. Yeah. Appreciate it, man. That's a cat overall. One of my patients, actually.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. He's also a DJ. DJ 50 Below.
Oh, cool. Are we doing scat pack? We were gonna do straight body or wide body? Hey, Aaron. Hey.
Let me ask you this.
Yep. Tell me.
I think when I built it online.
Yep.
Scat pack wide body.
Okay.
Was putting us probably mid-50s.
Okay.
They're not doing narrow body Hellcats anymore, are they?
Narrow body Hellcats.
Or are they all wide body?
SRT Hellcat Red Eye. All wide body.
They're all wide body?
All wide bodies now, no straight bodies.
Oh, okay. Because I was about to say like a stripped base one.
Yep. Be kind of close to the, you're right, a stripped base one would be kind of close. You kind of ordered it with no options. You know, probably straight body is your probably way to go if you want. I mean, it saves $6,000, you know. But it's up to you for the straight body on the Scat Pack.
Well, no, I would want if I
body?
did a Scat Pack wide, I definitely want to do a Scat Pack
Wide body.
But I was thinking if they had the narrow body Hellcat.
Oh, you may go try to bridge that gap between the two.
Yeah.
Smart. Yep. Very smart.
But
yeah, because you're right. You know, if you were to, they just, that wide body kit's like $7,000 and they have it only on the Hellcats right now. Yeah.
Right, and that almost now makes that Gulf of Space $14,000.
It's way too much difference between the two.
Yeah, nah, then we'll go Scat Pack.
Scat Pack. What color are you thinking?
So I was going back and forth between the Granite and the Smoke Show.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna go
drum roll.
Smoke Show.
Smoke Show. I like it. Nice. I like it.
Because then I do want to do the custom red leather.
So what I'll do is I'll just leave it cloth for now because you don't want the Alcantara, right?
I don't.
No.
I don't. I looked at like it looked good, but I saw one. And they showed me what the red looks like. It was okay. I think I want the straight leather then.
Straight leather, okay, got it.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll add that when it gets here. Okay. Any options important to you, Doc?
Yes, so the carbon and suede package.
Carbon and suede package,
because that has the suede headliner, and I'll go with the tier. And
sunroof?
No, I don't need sunroof.
Yep.
But I did look at not the navigation group. I was going back and forth with the Harman Kardon group because then I won't have to prove the sound.
Yeah.
I think that, and then the technology group has what, the HID?
Yep, so the technology group, we can view the details over here. Advanced brake assist, auto high beams, rain sensitive wipers, adaptive cruise, lane departure warning, and full speed collision warning plus. That's about $1,700, yeah, $1,800.
Maybe not. Maybe
Leave that one
for
off.
all that, I'll leave that off.
And we said no on the nav because you have the 8.4-inch radio, so you got the Apple CarPlay.
Anyway, yeah.
Anyway, so you probably don't need that.
Don't need the nav, but
What about the Harman Kardon?
I'm thinking maybe the Harman Kardon because then I won't have to fool with the sound system in the car.
And you did say no sunroof, right?
No sunroof.
Okay. Standard wheels.
Yeah, standard wheels. Cool. Yeah, let's see. Let's go with. It's going to be wrapped anyway. Let's go with the red brake calipers.
Red brake calipers, got it. Perfect. Awesome.
And then I guess.
Better wrap.
Man, you looking good.
Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it.
Well, you know,
Well, went ahead and got with Blake and we ordered the. Yeah.
it's the main thing, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's like kind of stay on mission. You know, I was looking at that Corvette that was here that time, and but it just, I mean,
maybe too much.
yeah,
Crazy, you really need to stay in the family. Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, and Ram.
exactly.
So Bryce is trying to buy this right here, Bryce Griggs. You know,
Yeah, we just met him. Yeah, there he is. Yeah, we was just talking to him. Yeah. Yep. It's clean. Yeah, that's what. So we ordered, and 2 months away.
You know the great dentist here, Willie Jordan? I've known him for 20, 30 years.
Matter of fact, you get my mask back.
Oh, I thought you wanted to pull out a card. I'm like,
I am. I got one
did
of
it.
them. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's what we're talking about. Look at that. Look at that man. Yeah. I know his dad and mother forever.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, he used to work for El Franco Lee.
Before you go, I want to get a picture with my car.
Okay. That's your car?
That's the one I bought.
It's beautiful.
Oh, thank you. Hey, it's been a long time. It took me 9 weeks to get him, but I ain't upset about it. I like it.
Yeah.
He the reason I bought it because he opened the door for me when he first got here. He was just standing outside opening the door. I was like, I definitely got to do this.
All right, fam. So we done made it back out here to where it all started. We've decided that we're gonna stay in the MOPAR fam. Right now, because of COVID, you can't just come pick you up a Scat Pack or anything like that off the lot. They have a couple, but they weren't the specs that I really wanted. Right here in my hand, I got the new replacement for the Speed Doc Scatty.